Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. Ex-White House official Anthony Scaramucci says crypto bull market could be sparked by regulatory clarity. Next, XRP witnessing crazy bullish crowd sentiment as on-chain activity hits 4-month high. Also, Senator Lummis proposes U.S. government purchase 5% of total Bitcoin supply. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there's no clickbait thumbnails or titles, and no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline, ex-White House official Anthony Scaramucci says crypto bull market could be sparked by regulatory clarity. Skybridge Capital founder Anthony Scaramucci says that the next crypto bull market could be ignited by a new wave of clear crypto regulations. In a new interview on CNBC Squawk Box, the ex-White House communications director says that he and two other prominent figures in the industry went to Washington, D.C. to speak to officials about the perils of Senator Elizabeth Warren and U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission Chair Gary Genser's hard-line approach to regulating crypto. Mark Cuban, myself, Michael Novogratz, we were down in Washington a few weeks ago, speaking with officials at the White House, explaining the danger of the Gary Gensler-Elizabeth Warren anti-crypto approach. Hopefully, that message is getting through. By and large, if we can get the regulatory policy around Bitcoin and crypto assets in sync, you've got a bull market next year coming for these assets. Scaramucci goes on to compare crypto assets to ride-sharing firm Uber, saying that regulators at first were wary of the service, but eventually came around to passing clear guidelines due to public demand. Remember Uber? Nobody wanted Uber. A lot of regulators didn't want it. Mayors, deputy mayors didn't want it, but the people wanted Uber, and eventually people came around to the idea of regulating it fairly. I think we're there now. The executive also says that younger Democrat voters believe that their leaders are making the wrong choices when it comes to digital assets. I think President Trump's move towards Bitcoin and towards crypto assets has shaken the Democrats to the core, and I think very smart, younger Democrats are recognizing that they are way off base with their positions, way off base with these SEC lawsuits and regulation by enforcement, and they have to tack now back to the middle. Let me pause here for a moment. If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline, XRP witnessing crazy bullish crowd sentiment as on-chain activity hits 4-month high. The XRP ecosystem continues to paint a bullish picture given that XRP Ledger, or XRPL, addresses are skyrocketing, signaling heightened interaction. Leading on-chain metrics provider Sentiment acknowledged XRP Ledger is seeing a substantial amount of both new addresses created and total addresses interacting on the network. Both are at their highest levels since March. The XRP Ledger's address activity hit a 4-month high, showing soaring confidence since XRPL is Ripple's open-source consensus ledger, with XRP being the native token. XRPL is a distributed ledger whose integrity is governed through the Ripple Consensus Protocol Algorithm, or RCPA. Therefore, the increase in XRPL's addresses signals intensified trading activity amid XRP whales going on a rampage in anticipation of the final judgment pertaining to the case between Ripple and the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. What's in store for XRP? As XRP continues to hover around the psychological threshold of 60 cents, the altcoin is enjoying bullish momentum, gaining 27.3% in the past 2 weeks, according to CoinGecko data. The launch of a stablecoin and settlement developments might instigate this trend. Ripple is in high gear to roll out RLUSD, a US dollar-based stablecoin. The XRP to BTC chart also supports XRP's bullish run. According to technical analyst Charting Guy, the crypto is gearing up for a major rally because it's following a trajectory similar to that of 2017. XRP is also witnessing a crazy bullish crowd sentiment, but caution should not be thrown to the wind since the next price trajectory might be influenced by the trajectory that the Ripple versus SEC settlement takes. Our next top headline, Senator Lummis proposes U.S. government purchase 5% of total Bitcoin supply. The pro-crypto senator introduced the Bitcoin Reserve Bill while declaring, "This is the solution. This is the answer. This is our Louisiana Purchase moment. Thank you, Bitcoin." United States Senator Cynthia Lummis has introduced a strategic Bitcoin Reserve Bill proposing that the U.S. government buy 5% of the world's Bitcoin supply and hold it for at least 20 years. It can be used for one purpose, to reduce our debt. Lummis declared during her keynote speech at the Bitcoin 2024 conference on July 27th in Nashville, Tennessee. Lummis explained that, if passed, the plan will be implemented over 5 years, with the U.S. government acquiring 1 million Bitcoin, or roughly 5% of the total supply of 21 million Bitcoin. With Bitcoin priced at $68,105 at the time of publication, purchasing 1 million Bitcoin would cost roughly $68.1 billion, according to CoinMarketCap data. This Bitcoin reserve that we are going to create will start with the 210,000 Bitcoin that President Trump just mentioned and pull it into a reserve stored in geographically diverse vaults, and that's only the beginning, Lummis stated. We have the money now, but we will no longer be holding it in U.S. dollars and assets that are designed to debase at least 2% per year. We'll be holding it in an asset that will grow in value, she added. Lummis is a popular figure in the crypto industry. Lummis, who is well regarded in the crypto industry for her pro-crypto stance, received a positive reaction from the Bitcoin 2024 attendees as she yelled, "This is the solution. This is the answer. This is our Louisiana Purchase moment. Thank you, Bitcoin." Her speech came immediately after the highly anticipated keynote from former U.S. President and current Republican Party candidate Donald Trump. Trump announced his intent to make the U.S. the crypto capital of the world if elected in November. It comes only days after Lummis released a report arguing against President Joe Biden's administration's proposed 30% excise tax on the energy consumed by Bitcoin miners. On July 23rd, Lummis released a report titled "Powering Down Progress: Why a Bitcoin Mining Tax Hurts America," highlighting the benefits of the critical mining infrastructure to the U.S. energy grid. So this concludes Crypto Top Headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.